Good afternoon, my name is Santiago Dixon Moreno. This is my summary of the topic why we all need to practice emotional first aid. Nowadays, we pay more attention to our physical health than our physical or mental health, which should be the opposite because failure, rejection, or loneliness can worse if we ignore them and can dramatically affect our lives. In addition, we should pay more attention to our psychological or mental problems, and we are not doing it. We must always worry about both physical and psychological. He also tells of the time he spent away from his brother and that they could not communicate by telephone or cell phone, and that the distance or loneliness affected them greatly as it distorts perceptions and tones. In addition, loneliness is horrible. It makes you miserable and can kill. Signs in generate diseases in the person and weakness the immune system. That is why we must practice emotional eating. Likewise, failure generates low self-esteem, which generates this in the minds of people that we cannot. It limits us, makes us feel helpless and incapable doing what we want to do and protect, and we even giving up in the face to adversity. Rejection is another aspect in which it affects us and makes us feel inferior to others. We begin to focus on our weaknesses and defects. All this causes low self-esteem, producing stress and anxiety. Failures and rejection affect us more. We die hard and we take longer to recover. Another aspect is rumination. When we rebuke others, yell at them or treat others badly. All of it is focus us on disturbing or negative thoughts, producing depression, alcoholism, eating disorders, etc. When my brother was diagnosed with cancer, he was always in positive mental health. Despite this, I was psychologically ill because of my brother's situation, which forced me to concentrate on something else. In the end, they gave him the results of a CT scan of my brother, and all the tumors has disappeared. All of this taught me to protect self-esteem, to fight against negative thinking, one to not only solve psychological wounds, but builds emotional resistance and ends up prospering and overcoming the vicissitudes that arise on one's life. Finally, I think that we should always take care of our emotional health, improve our quality of life, and approach our problems with a sure and truthworthy conviction that we are going to solve them. If we live positively with optimism and happiness, I think that our lives and our world would be much better to live and enjoy despite our obstacles and problems that we may have. Thank you very much.